Good morning, everyone. Today we will start our fourth chapter of science, that is living and non-living things. So let's start the chapter. All living things, all things which are present in this world can be classified into living and non-living things. Listen carefully. Things that can breathe, eat, grow, move from one place to another, have feelings, produce their young ones, and die are called living things. ऐसी चीज़ें जो सांस लेती हैं, उनको खाने के लिए कुछ चाहिए, जो ग्रो करती हैं मीन्स बढ़ती हैं इन द साइज हाइट एक्सेट्रा, एंड जो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह तक जाती हैं, ऐसे सारी चीज़ों को क्या बोलते हैं? लिविंग थिंग्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल डियर, बटरफ्लाई, बी एंड ह्यूमन बींग्स. नेक्स्ट, थिंग्स that cannot breathe, eat, grow, move from one place to another, have not feelings, produce their young ones and die are called non-living things. For example, bench, kite, balloons, seesaw, etc. Non-living things are the opposite of living things. नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स तो कुछ नहीं चाहिए, उनको खाने के लिए कुछ नहीं चाहिए, ना ही वो चलती हैं, ना ही वो सांस लेती हैं. नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स बिल्कुल उल्ट है लिविंग थिंग्स के. लिविंग थिंग्स हैव मैनी फीचर्स, सो नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस देम वन बाय वन. लिविंग थिंग्स ग्रो. ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स ग्रो इन शेप एंड साइज. The weight and height of living things increase as they grow. All living things grow with time. For example, a seed grows into a seedling and then into a tree. A chick grows into a hen. A kitten grows into a cat. And a baby girl grows into a young girl and finally become a woman. Now see this picture. Chick grows into a hen. A baby girl grows into a woman. The next picture is living things breathe. All living things need air to breathe. They have different organs for breathing. Human beings and most of the animals breathe through their nose. Plants breathe through small pores on their leaves. Fish breathe in water through small sites on their body called gills. हर लिविंग थिंग्स, जो भी लिविंग थिंग्स है, चाहे वो एनिमल्स हैं, प्लांट्स हैं, ह्यूमन बींग्स हैं, बर्ड्स हैं, सब सांस लेते हैं, मीन्स ब्रीथिंग, ब्रीथ करते हैं सब. ब्रीथिंग ऑर्गन्स हर किसी के अलग अलग हो सकते हैं. वैसे मोस्ट ऑफ, जैसे हम ह्यूमन बींग्स हैं, हम अपनी नोज की हेल्प से सांस लेते हैं. वैसे जो फिश है वो गिल्स की हेल्प से सांस लेती हैं. ओके, गॉट इट. द नेक्स्ट फीचर इज लिविंग थिंग्स नीड फूड. ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स नीड फूड एंड वाटर टू लिव. फूड gives us energy to do work. We eat vegetables, fruits, eggs, etc. We drink milk, water, juices, etc. Cow, buffaloes, goats eat grass. Lion, tigers, leopards eat other animals. Most of the birds eat small insects and grains. Plants are the only living things that make their own food. They prepare their food with the help of water, soil, and sunlight. All the other living things depend upon the plants for their food. The next feature is living things can feel. Living things can feel things around them. Living things react to the things that happens to them. They also respond to their surroundings. For example, if your team lose a football game, you feel hurt. At the same time, you feel happy when you get good marks in the test. तो स्टूडेंट्स सी, जैसे हम कोई गेम खेल रहे हैं, अगर हमारी टीम उस गेम में हार जाए तो हम क्या फील करेंगे? हमको बुरा ही लगेगा, ऑब्वियस है, हमको बुरा ही लगेगा उस चीज़ के लिए. बट अगर हमारे मार्क्स अच्छे आ जाएं टेस्ट में या एग्ज़ाम्स में, हम कितने खुश होते हैं. इसका मतलब हमें फील होता है ना, खुशी, गमी, सब कुछ फील होता है ना हमें. Animals and birds also react to the things around them. For example, a dog barks at strangers. Plants also react to changes in their surroundings. For example, a touch me not plant folds its leaves when touched. Many plants feel the sunlight and grow towards it. Animals such as butterfly, ants, and cockroaches can feel the changes around them. Students, next feature is living things move on their own. Living things move from one place to another in search of food and shelter. Animals walk or run with the help of their forelegs. Human beings have 2 legs for walking or running. Birds fly with the help of their wings. Plants are living things, but they do not move like animals and human beings, but their leaves and flowers move. Flowers generally grow in the direction of the sun. In the direction of the sun, the petals of morning glory flower open each morning and close as the same as the sun sets in the evening. Similarly, the leaves of touch me not flower close as soon as it is touched. Just like human beings, most animals walk on their legs. And the last feature is living things give birth to young ones. Living things give birth to young ones. Living things, a human being gives birth to a baby and a cow gives birth to a calf. A bird lays egg and baby birds hatch from them. A seed produces a new seedling which grows into a plant. A dog produces puppies. A cat produces kittens. Plant produces fruits which have seeds. These seeds give rise to a new plants. Human beings all produce young ones. So, all living things have a fixed lifetime during which they grow, give birth to young ones, become old and then die. So students, this is all the features of living things. Now, features of non-living things. All man-made things are non-living things such as toys, pencils, pen, chalk, chair, book, table and many more things around us. The features of non-living things are they cannot grow. नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स ग्रो नहीं करते, उनका साइज नहीं बढ़ता, उनकी हाइट नहीं बढ़ती. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप एक बैलून ले लो. जब हम उस बैलून में हवा फिल करेंगे, उसको फुलाएंगे, कुछ टाइम के लिए उसका साइज इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. बट जब बाद में वही उसके अंदर वाली एयर खत्म हो जाएगी तो वो बैलून वापस उसी अपनी शेप में आ जाएगा. सो दिस कंक्लूड दैट दे कैन नॉट ग्रो, दे कैन नॉट ब्रीथ. नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स कैन नॉट ब्रीथ. वो सांस नहीं लेती नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. आप हमारी चेयर्स देख लो, टेबल्स देख लो, क्या वो सांस लेती हैं? नहीं. दे कैन नॉट फील. नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स कैन नॉट फील. दे डू नॉट नीड फूड. उनको खाने की जरूरत नहीं है. दे डू नॉट गिव बर्थ टू यंग वंस. दे डू नॉट मूव ऑन देयर ओन. देखा आपने कभी टेबल या चेयर अपने आप चल के कहीं और चला गया हो? नहीं ना. नेक्स्ट, लिविंग थिंग्स ब्रीथ. All living things drink water. Plants absorb water from soil with the help of their roots. Plants need sunlight to prepare their food. Animals, human beings and birds depend on plants for their food. Plants need soil to grow. If the soil is not fertile, the plants cannot grow, which will lead to a shortage of food for all the animals and human beings. So student, this is all about our chapter living and non-living things. Now words to know. Pore, a small openings on a surface of leaves. Gills, paired breathing organs of fish. Hatch, to come out of an egg. Seedling, a new teeny plant which grows from a seed. So students, I hope you got it very well. Thank you for watching this video.